You know, it's hard to tell with all the information you get in the media what's really going on in the real estate market. And I can tell you, they say a lot of markets are slowing down. Here in the Bay Area, I haven't seen it. In fact, recently, one home went 60%, 60% over the asking price. California Association of Realtors said we're up 16% year over year. Appreciation is a pretty big deal right now. Now, of course, this means that home equity is also at an all time high, and also loan amounts are at an all time high, coupled with interest rates being at an all time low. So, I did want to reach out to my past clients and let you guys know I love you. And if you want a mortgage checkup, feel free to call me anytime. We can assess equity, different mortgage rates, etc. But this is a wonderful opportunity to consolidate some high interest rate debt if you have it. Now, if you take a look at, and I can do this with you as well, what your debt scenario is, you may have interest rates looming around 15 to 18%, possibly even higher. And it is possible to consolidate that debt into one lump sum into your home, right? And get a lower interest rate, in the 2-ish, 3-ish range, very low, historically low. And then, one strategy is you can take your former payment that you were using and put that into your mortgage payment, right? So if you're paying $2,000 altogether on credit card bills plus your mortgage, and your new mortgage payments $1,200 after we consolidate debt, for example, pay the extra $800 into your home loan, you'd be amazed what happens. So debt consolidation can be a very powerful thing if you do it right. Now, of course, another smart option for cashing out would be home improvement, right? Because you can cash out, borrow at a very low interest rate, and actually increase the value of your home pretty easily with some upgrades, right? So that's another option out there. Again, if you want to explore them, I am here for you, but this may be a good time to check at your mortgage, your home value, and just kind of brush up and see if you're in a good spot and any advantages you can take while we have them. We do expect, tapering of interest rates as well as inflation for rates to go up. As rates go up, home values will naturally come down. It's just how it works. And so this really may be a phenomenal and possibly the best time ever. Really, it is the best time ever to check something like this out. So let me know if I can help you out. No pressure. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. We're here for you.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.